We're done with our nose contouring. Pero parang walang nagbago. Bahala na siya. Hi everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? Sana okay lang kayo dyan sa mga bahay nyo and where you are right now. So today, ang vlog natin today is ita-try natin lahat ng Pink Flash products natin from the very past na mga swatches natin and review from those lipsticks, blush-ons, and everything. So now we're gonna try to put all of those on our face, like full face of Pink Flash products right now. So, wag na nating patagalin guys. Parang humahaba na yung mga istorya natin dito. Actually, wala akong makeup. I only have my sunscreen and my base, which is my aloe vera gel. So, ayan yung mukha ko. Parang, ang pangit guys. May pimple pa ako dyan sa noo. But, doesn't matter dahil kailangan natin tong gawin to review everything and to see if we have a good face wearing Pink Flash or Pink Flash is what it is. So, eto na guys. Ayan. Naluman na yung lalagyan niya guys. Tingnan nyo. Yung iba, wala nang parang bubbles-bubbles. Kasi nga, I've used this multiple times. Even though hindi ko pa to na-vlog ng full face of Pink Flash products on my face. But then, ginagamit ko to guys. Ginagamit ko to sa work. I have all the products that I needed sa work. Kaya ginagamit ko siya, though hindi ko pa siya nabavlog. Kaya ngayon, I needed to vlog it before siya maubos. Tingnan nyo naman itong mga brush at mga sponge ko. Talagang gamit na gamit. Gamit na gamit siya guys. Like, napupuno na siya ng makeup products. Ayan. It is color brown instead of pink. So, this is the proof guys na ginagamit ko talaga yung mga products na to. Before ko siya na-vlog, I am too late na ma-realize na need ko pala siyang i-vlog ng full face. Kaya, ayan, ginamit ko na guys. Sorry sa inyong lahat. But then, this time, we will see pa rin. But then, this time, makikita nyo guys kung ano yung itsura ko using these products from Pink Flash. Though, when I am on duty guys, I am not actually using all of these, but sort of, nandito yung mga most na ginagamit ko during my duty days. So, now, lahat ng to talaga yung gagamitin natin ngayon. But then, the lipstick, we're just gonna choose some shade. I want to say sorry kasi late ko siya na-realize na need ko pala siyang i-vlog ng full face. I actually see ano yung itsura ko using some of these products. And I know you also see me swatching those products from our last videos. So, yun yung mukha natin. So, today, etong lahat ng to, ilalagay natin. So, we will see pa rin kung ano yung mukha natin just using these products except my primer and also my sunscreen. Let's go! I actually claw my hair para hindi siya nakakasagabal sa pag may makeup natin kasi hindi pwedeng may mga sagabal na mga hair dyan while doing the makeup kasi it will ruin your life. Charis. Okay, so first we will gonna put, usually guys when I am on duty, I put first my primer which is my aloe vera gel. Next after that, if na-dry na siya is ilalagay ko na din yung sunscreen. Ulit-ulit lang yung process guys. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa vlog ko, yan lang din yun. Right after that is gagamitin natin yung foundation ng Pink Flash. You've already seen this sa last vlog natin or ano yun, last vlog. Kalimutan ko guys. Last vlog or last vlog. Nakalimutan ko talaga guys. But you already seen this foundation multiple times. So, ayan. Gagamitin natin siya ngayon. Pigmented kasi yung foundation na to. And, sinabihan ko na kayo niyan na pigmented yung foundation na to. Then, right after that foundation, ilalagay ko na rin yung liquid concealer. Under my eyes. Not too much also kasi. Ang puti niya guys pag after na. And here. So, ayan. So, all of the liquid. Parang madami yan guys. Pero ganyan lang talaga yung texture at weight ng substance. So, yan. You need to scatter it. So, wag kayong magtaka guys. Ba't dito ako nakaharap? Kasi I have mirror here at my side. Tsaka may mirror pa akong, I'm also holding a mirror. So, madami akong mirror, guys, pag nagme-makeup ako kasi I wanna see all of the angles. Sabi ko sa inyo noon, guys, I am not a fan of foundation except concealer. Kasi parang nabibigatan ako, guys. Like, nabibigatan yung mukha ko pag may foundation. Ganyan yung nangyayari sa akin araw-araw sa work. But then, I need to trust the process. Trust the process. I need to do it, guys. Kasi, para mag-long last yung makeup natin. Ayan. We need foundation, but not too much foundation naman. And last na tong sa my under eyes ko. I am not a pro, guys, ha. Hindi ako pro maglagay, hindi ako pro mag-makeup. But I'm trying my best. And I'm learning every day. So, ayan. We're done with the concealer and the foundation. So, parang mas maputi yung mukha ko kaysa sa katawan ko. Since ganyan yung itsura niya, guys, parang mas maputi yung mukha natin, we need to put contour to it. Ito yung contour, guys. Alam nyo ba? May trivia ako para sa inyo, guys. My contour is really used up. Gamit na gamit siya, guys. Tingnan nyo, nauubos na siya, be. So, parang namamaster ko na paglalagay ng contour, guys, kasi I'm doing this every day. Tingnan nyo yung mastery ko. See? Pa-konti-konti lang, guys, kasi para mas ma-blend natin yung product. Kailangan pa itaas siya, guys, para may lift effect yung mukha natin. Hindi siya pa down. Hindi siya dapat pa down. Ayan. See? And dito sa chin. Para mas mag-contour yung chin natin. Para magmukhang hindi tayo mataba. Ayan. Parang may shadow na siya. Hindi siya parang yung round lang. So, for the forehead, so, dyan, ditong banda, it must be slightly dark. Ayan, pag nag-break out ako, I wanted to let my face rest. So, ngayon lang ako nakabalik ng makeup since yesterday. Since yesterday lang, guys, nakapagpahinga yung face. Okay, so we're good with the contour. For our nose as well, pwede nating lagyan, guys. Pero usually, pag nasa work ako, hindi ako naglalagay kasi I trust my nose. So, sige, lagyan natin ng konti lang, guys. Konting-konti lang. We're done with our nose contouring. Pero parang walang nagbago, pero bahala na siya. Here, we will gonna have this blush on. It's actually on the shade of 001. Sabi ko noon, may konting shimmer na siya. So, if you wanted slightly shimmer lang, so this is good. So, if I am at work, guys, I actually use this blush on or my other blush on from Careline. The other side. So, I have also another review for this blush on, guys, since ginagamit ko siya during work. Mainit kasi, guys. My in is around 10 AM in the morning. So, mainit, guys. So, I've tried wearing this blush on and it's really good kasi nagsistay siya until maghapon. Tapos, parang mas nag-glow ka pa, guys, if using this blush on during the long day. A few hours, parang may after effect siya na maganda yung skin mo, guys. Parang sinampal ka lang. Okay, since our eyes also is very pale, guys, we will put like this pa rin. Same yung blush on ko sa eyes ko, guys. So, for that one, I'm gonna use brush. Usually, hindi talaga ako gumagamit ng brush, eh. Dito lang talaga ako gumagamit ng brush sa vlog ko. We need to use the brush. Ano ba namang gamit ng brush pag hindi natin ginamit? Para saan ba ang brush pag hindi natin ginamit? Para saan ba yung brush kung hindi natin gagamitin? Ang hirap magtagalog, guys. Nahihirapan ako sa kalisod. Hindi ko naman siya dinidiscriminate, kaso nga lang, I am really comfortable using my hand. Lalo na pag nagmamadali ako, guys, talagang kamay lang talaga. So, since we're done with the eyeshadow, contour, blush on, foundation, concealer, let's move on to our lips. I have 3 here, 3 lipsticks. Usually, yung ginagamit ko sa work, guys, is itong Lip and Cheek Duo Matte Tint. Kasi nga, if gusto kong hindi mo na mag-wear ng red matte or darker matte, kasi nga, sabi ko sa inyo, gusto ko yung darker matte. May araw din kasi, guys, na moody ako. So, hindi ko ginagamit yung red matte ko, guys, like this one and the other matte that I have in O2O. I just actually use this, parang soft matte lang siya, guys. Slightly pink lang siya. Ganyan yung trip ko minsan. So, I'm gonna try putting this one. Okay? Tingnan niya. Ang bango. Oh, sino ka dyan? Yan, so, that's what I like with this lipstick kasi light lang siya, matte din siya. Matte siya, guys, talaga. Hindi na siya basa. Straight yung work ko, parang ngayon ko lang na-realize na I also need to let my lips rest kasi parang hindi niya kaya yung laging mabigat na matte. Or parang makapal or dark shade na matte, parang need lang din yan ng rest. Maganda siya. Hindi rin siya, tingnan nyo. Hindi siya sticky. And also, dry na din siya right after na pagkalagay ko. And mabango, but not that too much. Hindi pa natin nalalagay yung highlighter. Whenever I go to work, guys, talaga naglalagay ako ng highlighter. Slightly lang ng mga highlighter parts of my face. First things first, dito sa bandang ibabaw ng cheeks ko. Para kung maarawan siya, guys. Oh, look at that. Ayan. See? So, next here, on my lips. Upper lips. At para hindi mas lousy yung lips ko. Parang buhay siya. Parang magpo-photoshoot tayo, guys. Smile. 1, 2. Okay, move on. Wala pa tayong sponsor eh. Move on muna tayo. Next to that, guys, is our nose and also sa gilid ng mata natin. Dito, tsaka dito, sa bridge ng nose. Ayan, so you just need to put slightly, very, very slight, and also the tip. And lastly, would be our eyes. Gagamitin na natin yung brush para hindi kayo magtampo. Here. Need nyo lang siyang i-tap-tap, guys. Ayan. See? The other side also. Just like here, do not wipe it. Just tap it. Like ganyan lang, oh. 1, 2, 3. And the other side. Ayan. We're done, we're done. Yung eye bags ko, guys. Nakakasira ng mood. Hindi tayo magfo-focus sa eye bags ko, guys. Mag-focus tayo sa makeup. Mag-focus tayo sa Pink Flash. Guys, nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan ko talaga siya, guys. Yung powder na to, but then, that's fine. Malalagay din natin siya. Pwede nyo siyang unang ilagay to kaysa sa mga highlighter. Lalo na dito sa cheeks. I actually just put konti, guys, dito sa takip. Kasi hindi ako gumagamit ng sponge niya. I actually just used this one still. Mas nagbi-blend kasi yung brush, guys. You need to put it under your eyes para mas mag-bake siya and mas magtagal yung makeup. See? Hindi na ganong form yung eye bags ko this side than this. Good thing, guys, kasi yung highlighter ko hindi siya natatouch even if putting this loose powder. Huwag natin kalimutan dito, guys. So, dito rin, the very important part for me, guys, when putting compact powder or loose powder is my forehead. Kasi, eto yung unang nagpapawis eh. Wisin ako sa forehead, guys. After nating maglagay ng loose powder, guys, parang mas nag-calm yung face natin. Hindi siya naging oily, hindi siya nag-oily. Yung iba kasi, naglalagay din sila ng loose powder right after they put this blush on. Then, after that loose powder, lagay na naman ulit sila ng blush on. But for me, hindi sa tinatamad guys, pero nagsistay in kasi yung blush on ko, like, it can stay longer even if I don't have this loose powder. Hindi naman siya nag-oily dyan na part. So, okay lang na wala siyang loose powder right after na mag-blush on ako. I actually secure those parts na talagang nag-oily guys. Like, yung dito, dito, di nag-oily, pero I need to bake it para mas magstay yung concealer natin, yung foundation natin na nilagay dyan. So guys, eto na yung mukha natin right after nating ilagay yung mga products from Pink Flash. All of these products na nasa mukha ko guys is from Pink Flash, and this is the result. See? Maganda siya guys, and also magaan rin siya sa mukha. At then make sure nahiyang yung mukha nyo dito guys, kasi you need to test it first before putting it on your face, directly on your face. Just put it dito sa may wrist banda. You need to try it kasi guys, hindi pwede na i-try nyo agad sa mukha nyo, not just this product but all of the products, kasi nga you need to test it first if hiyang yung mukha nyo to avoid infections, allergies, breakouts and everything from that specific product. Okay? So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like my face. Well, I hope you like the result guys. Ito yung result na naglagay tayo ng full face of Pink Flash products. I hope you like it, and I hope you like this video and you've gained something. You have new knowledge na na-gain from this brand, from this makeup brand. So, thank you so much for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell para mas updated kayo sa mga susunod nating video, upcoming videos na i-upload natin sa YouTube guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, be healthy. Bye-bye!
Sasayaw sa kulog at ulan.